Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. It's time.
Good morning. Woo, child. It's Friday. And I'm happy about it. Damn, my phone about to go dead. What? I had to plug up my charger. The thing went dead. Whew. It's been a struggle every morning this week. But it's definitely a struggle today. I had to go in the bathroom and spray this weed. You know, so I'm getting ready for work. I think what I'm wearing today is, I got that pink dress I just did a haul with, and why am I whispering? So I want to wear my Doc Martens. I have this leather jacket and pink dress. It's currently in the dryer because that's how I iron my clothes. I should have put a steamer on my Christmas list. That's what I need, is a damn steamer. Cause I damn sure don't be feeling like ironing. Scent of the day is Floor Violet from Dossier. My plan is work, probably getting dinner and stopping at Ulta or something. We shall see, we shall see. So I'm about to get dressed and I'll show you the final fit put together when I come back. Okay, fit for today. Pink dress, Doc Martens, and this leather jacket. And I probably just pull out a bag from somewhere, but this is the fit. I gotta go. I'm gonna be late. Bye, y'all. Listen, I'm tired. For some reason, it's been such a long week, but I'm fresh off work. Well, not fresh off work. I got off work and I went home and edited the Vlogmas video that went up today. That was yesterday when you see it. But I'm sleepy. And my legs still hurt. I think today it was worse. They don't even have what I need. They don't even have what I need. Also want to get the MAC chestnut liner. And they had Miss Girl in stock. Front is up there. We're back here, by the door. Merry Christmas Eve! I've been waiting all week to get that in the home. Let me turn the heat off so it don't make that noise. What is up, y'all? It is Christmas Eve. It is 8:52 in the morning. And I've been pretty productive, y'all. I started laundry. It was on the second load when I left. And so now I'm at the nail shop to get a pedicure. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I haven't had a pedicure since, that can't be right, I know it was before Thanksgiving because I didn't get a chance to get them done before I went home. So it's been at least a month or two. And y'all know that's not like me at all. So I text Miss Girl yesterday. Girl, I'm first. Well, I got an appointment anyway. I texted her to ask her if they were gonna be open, and then she told me that they would be open at 9. And so I told her, okay, I'll be there at 9. She set my appointment. I got the text message, so we are good to go. So that's my first thing that I'm doing today. So today I'm getting a pedicure. Then I'm going to, I gotta go to Ulta because I went to Ulta last night, and I'll show y'all later what I got from Ulta. I went to Ulta last night to get my face stuff. I needed some more moisturizer and I need some more toner. So they didn't have either of those items, but I did get some stuff though. So I'll show y'all those when I get back home. But yeah, so I gotta go find an Ulta. I gotta go on Ulta hunting for another one to find my moisturizer and my toner because I'm out of toner and I'm scraping the bottle on the moisturizer. So I gotta do that. And then I'm just straightening up and stuff. I'm gonna start binge watching The Best Man on Peacock, so I'm excited about that. How are y'all spending y'all Christmas Eve? What are y'all doing? I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I ain't bought one gift. Not one. Not one. I'm waiting on this nail shop to open. They should be here any minute. Normally the nail shop people are late. I've never been to a nail shop that opened on time. Oh my god, this is so good. So good. Yeah. I'll do that one. Was it 040? Yes, ma'am.
Graduated engineering school, so that was tough. Engineer?
When I walked in, the lady was like, welcome back, we haven't seen you in so long. So apparently they knew exactly who I was. I'm sure I'm the only big black girl that comes here, so I wonder how they got me saved in their phone, because they knew exactly who I was. But I remember, like, when I had first started coming, you know, they were asking me questions about where I'm from and all this other stuff, just really getting to know me. So I think they pretty much remember that I'm the girl that's not from here, big black girl. I'm sure, I don't know if I've never seen any other black people in there now that I think about it. So that may be why. But the lady, she like fell in love with my nails. And the girl who does my nails, I actually met her here. She was working here, and then she moved to a different place. I'm like, oh, who did your nails? And I told her, and they was like, oh, she did such a good job. And she just kept, like, she literally was staring at them, and she had people coming over, looking at them. And then she, like, rubbed my hand. Ma'am, if you don't get the hell on, you're taking it too far. I definitely stepped way out of my comfort zone and got red toes. Well, I'll show you a close-up once I get to the house. Whew, I've never had red toes before. But I felt a little festive for the Christmas season, to, you know, try something else. So I'm about to find an Ulta. Find an Ulta, get my little stuff in there. I'm going to the house, I'm tired. So let's see. Then I gotta pee. I can go to this one. 11 minutes away. So let's go here. Thank you. Okay, so I was literally in and out of Ulta. It's not packed at all. The line was moving really quick. It was a zoo last night in that Ulta, but this one wasn't so packed, but the people are in a frenzy. But the line went really quick. I was probably in there for 5 minutes, so. Okay, I'm sleeping now. No, look. I'm glad I looked, because I had no clue. Child, I had got the boohoo crying earlier because when I was leaving the nail shop, I saw that there was this couple sitting on the curb and they had grocery carts with their stuff in it. And it's not freezing here. It's like in the 40s, 50s. But it's still cold outside and it's Christmas Eve. Either way it go, I don't care if it was Christmas Eve or not. I made a vow to myself, and this was even when I was back at home, that anytime I have cash in my purse and I see someone in need, I'm gonna always give it to them. When I saw them, it looked like they were writing their little sign that they were gonna hold up. So I couldn't assume that they were taking money. So I looked out my window and asked them if they were taking donations. And they said yes, and then they was just, you know, was saying God bless you and thank you and was going on and on. So that tore me up, y'all. Just thinking about, you know, there's things that I want in life but don't have. And that was just a reminder to be grateful for what you do have. Be grateful for the blessings that you take for granted every day, like walking into your house or getting in your car or even getting in your shower, washing your face, brushing your teeth, laying down, sitting down. You know, it's a lot that we just take for granted on a day-to-day basis that people consider a luxury, and it's a luxury that they can't afford to have. So that was very humbling this morning. They get to me all the time, but it just really touched me this morning, especially being that it's getting cold. Well, it is cold. Like, even back home in Georgia, it's in the teens. Like, it's like 14, 15, and then the wind chill is like really high. People are outside and people are freezing. People are cold. Ooh, child. I'm tired. So I've straightened up downstairs. Now I need to take this trash out and then mop the floor. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, in addition to these flowers, there's always people on the side of the road that are selling like flowers. They sell tamales. They sell drinks. They sell all kinds of little things. But I saw this guy with these flowers, and I had to have them. Not that I'm gonna take care of them or keep them or anything, because you gotta do too much work to them. But I just wanted to have them. But I got some wine. So this is gonna go perfect. This is actually gonna be a cute picture. So yeah, I need to take a picture and post that. Post the pic, make them sick. I've been slacking on my Instagram and my TikTok game, but once Vlogmas is over, we're gonna be back to it. So yeah, let me take this trash out. I'm definitely gonna order something to eat, and I wonder if you can guess what I'm gonna order. So you can't sleep with the heat or the air on, but you had 2 children in your home.
Yep.
You didn't care about them?
Y'all talk about y'all had covers. Y'all had plenty of cover.
Mm-hmm.
Every room had their own covers and backups.
Huh?
So every room had regular covers and backups.
I hear you.
You ain't recording me, is you?
I am.
Why you want to record your mama? Good thing I got some on my head. I don't have no butt neck head.
A what?
Nothing on my head.
Did you say a butt neck head?
Butt neck head.
All right, Ma, you showing that now.
Well, you told me to say it again.
I didn't realize that you was gonna say it. You all right?
That's strangle.
I was
That's
just
tomorrow.
calling to say Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Kiss the Eve. Nice and snuggly in the covers.
I'll be joining you soon.
Ooh, it's gonna be a party. Party to the crack of dawn. Under the covers, knocked out sleep, but the TV still running.
Right.
That's okay. Glad to be able to do it.
Yeah. All right. Merry Christmas Eve.
All right, should have a good night. Don't party too hard, girl. Cause you know we can party till we can't party no more.
Who is we?
Me and you. You say how hard I'm partying now? You say how hard I'm partying now, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm partying so hard I'm gonna fall asleep on myself.
Okay. Well, turn up then. My Sears, and I'm gonna show you what I got from Ulta. So, where's the first thing I got was it's a box. I'll stick it in here. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, here it is. I started using it last night, so I have the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. So this is supposed to promote fuller, thicker, and healthier lashes and brows. As you can see, it's barely in there. I don't have any extensions on, so I said I was gonna give them a rest until maybe next year. So this is, you just apply it to your lash line. Okay. And you do it morning and night. Oh, my food is almost here. But I wanted to shower and do my face just in case I fall asleep downstairs. So you do that. So I'll update you guys and let you know if it works or not. So we got that. When are you supposed to see results? They don't say. Oh, and then on the brows, I forgot. So my brows are pretty full, but I want the gashes to grow in. I fell off the monkey bars when I was younger. As you can tell from that line that goes down the side of my face. And they just never grew in right there, so we're gonna see what this does. Oh, he must got his music up loud. Cause I can hear it all the way here. Oh, she. Thank you, Merry Christmas.
You're welcome.
She got a good little tip, so it's gonna be a Merry Christmas. What else I got? What I bought today was some more of the Mario Badescu Aloe Moisturizer. I use that on my face day and night. It also has SPF. And the Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, I got that as well. I use that on my face as toner day and night. I don't know why I bought both of these though, because it's the same difference. But I guess I just wanted to try both of them. So I bought this. So it's their Real Magnet. It's supposed to be extreme lift, power lift of your lashes. So I'm gonna try that. And then I also got the Lash Paradise. I needed mascara, especially being that now that I'm gonna be wearing lashes, like strip lashes for a while. So I got those. And then I got an eyelash curler, of course. And then I also got a lip pencil. You can't go wrong with that MAC Chestnut, baby. So that is what I got from Ulta. So now I'm about to go downstairs. Go downstairs and eat some dinner. And find a good movie or something on the TV. So let's go. I'm gonna show y'all what I got to eat. Can you guess? Did you guess what I was gonna eat? Did you? Let's see if you're right. I forgot to show y'all my toes. Look who's that red. They match my nails. Can you believe it? Red toesies. What y'all think about those? Okay. Well, I look like I've been jacked up around the neck or something. But what was y'all's guess? Huh? Did you guess correctly? TGIFridays. Let me show you what I got. Same thing I always get, which is the spinach dip. And I got, they didn't put my bourbon in there. I asked for bourbon this time, and it's on the freaking receipt. Whiskey glaze. But anywho, I just threw a fit. I got the salmon and rice and broccoli, which is supposed to have cheese on it as well. And ain't no cheese on it. Like, they just did what they wanted to tonight. I know it's Christmas Eve, but geez. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and wrap up this vlog. That I got on my nerves now. About to wrap up this vlog. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my Christmas Eve. I want to catch up on Love After Lockup. I know tomorrow definitely I'm going to be watching The Best Man, the new series. So I'm going to be binge watching that on tomorrow. But tonight it's just, I'm just chilling, keeping it cute. Gonna edit this video. It's going up late, so it is what it is. It's a same day vlog. So that happens when you do those same day vlogs. It's hot. It was on 78. But anywho, I'm gonna eat my food. Now I'll make me some hot chocolate, and then I'm going to bed. I'll probably fall asleep down here and then go upstairs or something, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys on tomorrow on the final day of Vlogmas 2022, y'all. Tomorrow's the last day. I hope you guys are, at this point, you're up setting up the gifts, setting up presents, doing all that good stuff. So definitely make sure that you guys enjoy your family, love on your family, love on your friends, love on the people that love on you and pour into you, y'all. Enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow evening. Love you guys so much. Bye.